Deep beneath the surface of the world's oceans, hidden among coral reefs and drifting with the gentle currents, exists a creature that seems to defy the very laws of nature. A creature whose existence challenges our understanding of life, aging, and mortality itself. This is the story of Turritopsis dohrnii, more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. Unlike any other known animal, this diminutive jellyfish possesses a remarkable ability. It can reverse its own aging process, effectively rendering itself biologically immortal. The tale of the immortal jellyfish is a window into the mysteries of nature, the potential for eternal life, and the profound questions that arise when we consider what it truly means to be alive. To appreciate the extraordinary nature of Turritopsis dohrnii, we must first journey into its underwater world. The immortal jellyfish is a tiny creature, often no larger than the nail on your pinky finger, with a translucent bell-shaped body and delicate tentacles that trail behind it like filaments of light. It can be found in temperate and tropical waters around the globe, though its true numbers and distribution remain shrouded in mystery. At first glance, it might seem like any other jellyfish, drifting aimlessly or pulsating gently in the water. But beneath its simple appearance lies a biological process unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. The life cycle of a typical jellyfish begins with an egg, which develops into a free-swimming larva called a planula. This larva settles onto a hard surface, transforming into a polyp, a small stalk-like structure that resembles a tiny sea anemone. The polyp reproduces asexually, budding off juvenile jellyfish known as ephyrae. These ephyrae eventually grow into adult medusae, the classic jellyfish form with a bell and tentacles. For most jellyfish, this cycle is unidirectional. Once the adult medusa stage is reached, the organism continues to age until it ultimately dies. But for the immortal jellyfish, the story takes an astonishing turn. When faced with environmental stress, injury, or simply the passage of time, Turritopsis dohrnii can perform a biological feat that seems almost magical. Instead of succumbing to death, it initiates a process known as transdifferentiation. In this process, the jellyfish's cells essentially revert to an earlier developmental stage, transforming back into a polyp. The adult medusa shrinks, its tissues reorganize, and it settles onto a surface, starting its life cycle anew. From this polyp, it can again bud off new medusa, each genetically identical to the original. This process is not merely a halt in aging, it is a reversal. The jellyfish does not stop time. It turns back the biological clock, escaping the fate that awaits all other living creatures. In theory, Turritopsis dohrnii can repeat this cycle indefinitely, sidestepping death from old age. However, it is still vulnerable to predation, disease, and other dangers of the ocean. So immortality in the absolute sense remains elusive. Nevertheless, its unique ability to cheat death through cellular transformation has earned it the title of the immortal jellyfish. The discovery of Turritopsis dohrnii's immortality is a relatively recent one. In the 1980s, marine biologist Christian Sommer was conducting research off the coast of Italy when he noticed something peculiar about the jellyfish he had collected in a petri dish. Rather than dying as expected, the jellyfish seemed to regenerate, reverting to its juvenile polyp form. Sommer's observations sparked a wave of scientific interest in this enigmatic creature, leading to further research and the eventual identification of its extraordinary life cycle. Scientists have since sought to unravel the mechanisms behind this biological immortality. At the heart of the jellyfish's transformation is transdifferentiation, a rare phenomenon in which mature cells change into different types of cells, effectively resetting their developmental state. This process is distinct from the way stem cells operate in humans, where specialized cells can be produced from undifferentiated ones. In transdifferentiation, adult cells themselves shed their specialized functions and adopt new roles, allowing the jellyfish to reconstruct its body from the inside out. The implications of this ability are profound. In humans and other animals, aging is accompanied by the gradual breakdown of cellular function, the accumulation of damage, and a loss of regenerative capacity. The immortal jellyfish, however, sidesteps these limitations, offering tantalizing clues about the potential to reverse aging or regenerate damaged tissues. Researchers are now studying Turritopsis dohrnii in hopes of uncovering secrets that might one day lead to breakthroughs in medicine, tissue engineering, and even the quest for human longevity. Yet the story of the immortal jellyfish is not merely a tale of biological curiosity, it is also a reflection of the mysteries and paradoxes of life itself. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of immortality, seeking ways to extend life, preserve youth, and conquer death. Myths and legends abound with tales of eternal beings, magical fountains, and alchemical elixirs. The immortal jellyfish, in its quiet existence beneath the waves, brings those dreams into the realm of scientific possibility, prompting us to reconsider what it means to be mortal. But immortality comes with its own set of philosophical questions. If an organism can endlessly renew itself, does it ever truly die? Is the jellyfish that reverts to a polyp and then buds off new medusae the same individual? Or is it a clone, a descendant, a continuation of something that once was? In the endless cycles of renewal, where does identity reside? These questions echo the paradoxes of human life and consciousness. What defines the self, and what does it mean to persist through time? Beyond the philosophical, the jellyfish's immortality also invites us to reflect on the nature of evolution and adaptation. The ability to reverse aging is an extraordinary evolutionary strategy, but it may not be without its costs. The jellyfish must still contend with predators, disease, and changing environments. Its immortality is not absolute, but conditional, a biological loophole that allows it to escape one form of death, but not all. In this sense, the immortal jellyfish is a reminder that nature's solutions are often elegant yet imperfect, shaped by the pressures and possibilities of survival. The story of Turritopsis dohrnii also highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The jellyfish's unique biology is just one example of the astonishing diversity and ingenuity found in the natural world. From the regenerative powers of salamanders, to the complex social systems of ants, to the communication networks of trees, life has evolved countless strategies for survival, growth, and adaptation. The immortal jellyfish stands as a testament to the creativity of evolution, a creature that challenges our assumptions and expands our sense of what is possible. As we delve deeper into the study of the immortal jellyfish, we are reminded of the importance of preserving the oceans and the fragile ecosystems that sustain such wonders. The world's coral reefs, where Turritopsis dohrnii is often found, are under threat from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. The survival of the immortal jellyfish, along with countless other marine species, depends on the health of these environments. Protecting the oceans is not only a matter of safeguarding biodiversity, but also of preserving the mysteries and discoveries that await beneath the waves. In contemplating the immortal jellyfish, we find ourselves at the intersection of science, philosophy, and imagination. Its existence invites us to dream of new possibilities, to question the boundaries of life and death, and to seek understanding in the face of the unknown. It is a reminder that the natural world is full of surprises, creatures and processes that defy our expectations and inspire our curiosity. As scientists continue to unravel the secrets of Turritopsis dohrnii, we may one day unlock new insights into aging, regeneration, and the potential for longevity. Perhaps the jellyfish's ability to reset its life cycle will inform medical advances, allowing humans to repair tissues, heal injuries, or slow the march of time. Or perhaps its story will remain a marvel of nature, a symbol of the boundless creativity and mystery that defines life on Earth. The immortal jellyfish reminds us that nature is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. In its silent dance through the ocean, it carries secrets older than humanity, possibilities that stretch beyond the limits of imagination. Its story is a testament to the resilience of life, the ingenuity of evolution, and the enduring power of curiosity. So the next time you gaze out over the ocean, consider the world that lies beneath the waves, a world where time itself can be reversed. where the boundaries of life and death are blurred, and where creatures like the immortal jellyfish drift through the currents, bearing witness to the endless cycle of renewal. In the heart of the sea, the secrets of immortality shimmer just beyond our reach, inviting us to explore, to wonder, and to dream.